Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6 and today we want to present about disease management in apple plant. Let me introduce you the group member. The first one is Sarah Vanesha, which is the number 1045. Safira Tasha, which is the number 171. Hanazaki, which is the number 219. Isna Yuni, which is the number 242. The first topic is apple crops. The introduction to apple crops. The apple or Malus domestica is a deciduous tree in the family Rosaceae, which is grown for its fruit, known as apples. When planted from a seed, an apple tree can take 6 to 10 years to mature and produce fruit of its own. Apple trees are small to medium-sized trees reaching heights of 5 until 10 meters, with a central trunk which divides into several branches. The leaves of the tree are oval and in shape and can reach up to 13 cm in length and 7 cm in width. Apple may also be referred to as mela or apple, and the domestic tree is believed to have originated from Western Asia and the Mediterranean from several wild ancestors.
Next, we have apple disease and control. First, we have apple scab or Venturia inaiqualis, caused by fungus overwinters on dead foliage on ground. Spores dispersed by wind and high moisture encourage fungal growth. Symptoms of apple scab is yellow or chlorotic spots on leaves, dark olive green spots on leaf and fruit, maybe a velvety growth on spot on undersides of leaf, twisting of leaf, distorted leaf, severely infected leaf turn yellow and drop from tree. The management of apple scab are remove all leaf drop from tree in the fall and compost to prevent any diseases surviving in debris. Application of zinc and fertilizer grade urea in the fall may be necessary to speed leaf drop. Lime should then be added to fallen leaf. Fungicide application may be necessary in areas where leaf remain wet for periods in excess of 9 hours. Fungicide such as chopper soaps and Bordeaux mixture should be applied if there is a chance of wet period as soon as leaf tip emerges.
The second one is black rot or Batrosphera obtusa. The symptoms of black rot are purple flecks or circular lesions which are brown in the center and purple at margin, red flecks, purple lesion, and or brown black rings on fruit, caused by fungus spores that can overwinter in twigs or fruit remaining on the tree and spread during rainfall. Management of this disease are remove dead wood, mummified fruit and cankers from trees to reduce spread of disease, burn any prunings that have been made from the tree. Disease can be controlled by applying fungicides from silver tip to harvest. The third one is cheddar apple rust, caused by fungus. Fungus requires the host to complete life cycle, forms galls on eastern red cedar, and spores are carried by wind to apple. Use caution when planting apple close to red cedar. Symptoms from cedar apple rust are bright orange or yellow patches on top side of leaves surrounded by a red band and small black spots in the center. By midsummer, cup-like structures called icea form on the leaf undersides. This becomes covered in tabular structures from which spores are released. The management disease control for cheddar apple rust are plant-resistant varieties where possible. Remove nearby red cedar if growing susceptible varieties where possible. In proximity to red cedar, follow a fungicide program to control the fungus.
The next is powdery mildew disease. The cause of this powdery mildew disease is Padosphaera leucoides sound. With imperfect tense, Satardia is oidium sp. The symptoms that appear on the upper lips appear white, abnormal shoots, dwarf, and don't pure fluid. On the foot is brown, downwardy. To control, the one is cut off the patch or the sick and burn parts. Number 2, by spraying fungicide Nimrod 250 AC 2.5 until 5 cc or 10 liters of water or Afghan 300 cc 0.5 until 1 liter of water and burn until 1.5 cc per liter of water after the message until the bat is 4 until 5 weeks old at intervals of 5 until 7 days. Next.
Next disease is leaf spotting disease caused by Marsonia coronaria. A symptom that arises on the leaves are aged 4 until 6 weeks. After tombesan, visible irregular white patches, brown in color, upper surface arises black dots, ranging from old leaves, young leaves, to all parts of the fall. How to control it? The first is the planting distance is not very tight. The affected part is discarded and burned. Second is sprayed fungicide Agrisan 60 WP 2 grams per liter of water. Dose 1,000 until 2,000 grams per hectare since 10 days after lumps with intervals of 1 week as much as 10 application of Delcime MX 202 grams per liter of water and let 0.5 grams per liter of water from the age of 4 days after worms with interval of 7 days to 4 weeks. Next. So the conclusion is apple or Malus domestica is a deciduous tree in the family Rosaceae, which is grown for its fruits known as apples. Important diseases that attack apple plants are apple scab, black rot, cedar apple rust, powdery mildew, and leaf spotting disease. Diseases of apple plants can be controlled by applying the concept of IPM by combining several control techniques, namely control of by cultivation, regulation, resistant variety, and chemical control. Next. Okay, that's all from our discussion today. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.